The first example is using this technique. So things like the hybrid, the fire, the air, anything you see with the peak pad and a full zone uses technique number 1. This basically means you can draw the whoosh and control its speed, all sorts of stuff. So it's the one with the most manual control. If you want to make this, you have to do it in a particular way. So let's step through that quickly. You can either just take one of these presets and clear out the samples, or there is a template preset. So if you load Whoosh template 1, you basically get a preset that's kind of pre-configured. All you need to do is drop files in and rename the tabs and the XY, the layers, and you've got something that should work. The trick for this technique is that you need long files that don't have gaps in them because it's using the granular engine to avoid repetition. For example, like this one of an air vent. So it's just continual noise. So this should work pretty well. So that's on layer 1. If I move this one to layer 1, right off the bat, that sounds like a whoosh. But the basic idea is that if you drop this type of file in, that's long, that's got variation but doesn't have dips in silence, you're just good to go.